A new subscriber, welcome. If you are old subscriber, also welcome. If you are my friend, family, relation, anywhere you find yourself around, welcome. My name is Coach John. Today, what I have for you is nothing but a strong topic, a strong title, which I named How to Choose Safer Odds for Your Daily Betting. Lower Risk Strategy. Welcome back to my channel, Odds Decode by John. Today, I'm going to show you how to choose safer odds for your daily betting using a simple low risk strategy that beginner can follow. If you are tired of losing small tickets, this video is for you. Very simple. If you are tired of losing small tickets, this video is for you. So now, what is our topic today, which says how to choose safer odds for daily betting? Now, number one is what? What is safer odd? Safer odd is not about being 100% sure. A safer odd means the chance of winning is higher than the odd strategy. The teams or market has strong and stable states. If the team or market has a strong and stable market, it's also safer. Continue. The risk is low because the outcome happens very often. I hope you are communicating. Example of safer odd or market: over 0.5 goals. You know what it's all about. Over 1.5 goal. I hope you know that. But only for strong team. Over 1.5 goals, but only for strong team. But I explained over 0.5 without saying anything. But when you go to over 1.5, you know that the business has started. 2 goals to score is not easy. So go and find it on a strong team. Then double chance, you know what it's all about. Home win or draw, away win or draw, or both sides to win, either home or away. That is what double chance is all about. Draw, no bet. Home win or draw. When the game ends at draw, your money will be refunded or void. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Let me give you time for that. If you have not shared, please share our video. If you have not liked, please go and like our video. Very important, so that YouTube will take this video to wider audience. Very important. Then come back, let us continue. Then topic 2 says why most people lose even with smaller odds. I even asked myself this question. If you have not asked yourself, ask yourself right now. I even ask myself, why do my tickets cut even when I'm using smaller odds to fix it? Even people that is playing that is taking live, you can see that this particular team now is giving, like, maybe let's say 2-0 or 3-0. Maybe at the end of the day, the away team will defeat that particular team that already have 2-0 or 3-0 often. So why do people lose even with small odds? So this is where you will subscribe and come back, so that we'll continue and we'll move straight. Very easy and simple. So there is no logic here. So now, he said people lose because they pick smaller odds with weaker team. I always explain this here on my topic. When I give a topic last time, I said why pro must watch before predicting. That is the importance of watching football. As someone who finds himself in sport betting, you must start and like watching football, because whenever you pick smaller team, smaller odds with a small team, you see that you are risking your money. Don't come out and start complaining. You go and pick small team, small odd. I mean to say, you pick small odd in a weaker team. How do you think that will perform? Now let's continue. They choose smaller odd in unstable leagues. They don't check teams' form and injury, suspension, or what? Motivation. This is why people lose. Are you losing? Ask yourself this question. Are you not checking injuries and suspension, or team motivation? Are you not checking all of these things? You come out and you are telling me that you are losing your money. So now number 4 say they play too much games. You can see someone ticket is about 20 to 30 games inside one ticket. How do you think that will be easy? Are you the one playing that match? Are you the one in that stadium playing that match? Don't you know that a red card might occur and it will be a lose for you? Then now let's continue. He said that he said that 1.20 odd, very safe. 1.20 odd on a weaker team is more dangerous than 1.55 odds on a strong team. Very important. Go and write it somewhere. Please, if you are coming to my class, let me make it official. If you are coming to my class, don't forget this. This is a pen, understand? And a paper like this, and a paper. Come with pen and paper so that you will be jotting everything that I'm saying down. Very important. You jot it down. You learn from me. You jot it down. Whenever you want to, predict your odds on sport betting, you will not forget what I told you. Very important. Now, step 3, topic 3. How to choose safer odd correctly. Very simple. Let's break it down. I don't want to rush, but we'll make it quickly. Topic 3, how to choose a safer odd. Then inside topic 3, we have step 1, pick reliable leagues, like focus on this, Premier League, Serie A, Bundesliga, you know about it, La Liga, leagues, then Portuguese or whatever, Netherlands, all these leagues, focus on it. It will help you. It will direct you whenever you are picking your, safer odd. Then avoid this particular one, Turkish league, Switzerland leagues, Romania leagues, then Egypt leagues, and all these friendly matches which you know that they are not fighting for any title, or youth teams. Now, when you choose stable leagues, remember this, when you choose stable leagues, your odds will be stable. Your odd will not shake. Your odd will not disappoint you. Your money will not lose when you choose a stable leagues, like the one that I asked you to focus on, Premier League, Serie A, La Liga, and all the rest of them. Now, step 2, check last 5 matches. After step 1, I have mentioned the leagues that you are going to focus. This is where you will rush and subscribe to my channel. I explained step 1, the leagues that you want to go and focus on. There is a topic that covers all these things, the leagues you want to go and predict your money. I explain it for you here. Then now step 2 is now saying check the last 5 matches. You understand? For team scoring in 4 to 5 match. This is 4 matches they score both home and away. Maybe the last one they has draw. You understand? Check it. Team considering goals. You know that their last 5 matches they almost score both home and away. They will help you. They are now telling you that we can give you what you want. We can score. We can defend ourselves. We can strike. You understand? This is what this team is trying to tell you. We cannot lose your money. Go and check this before you bet. Team that considers goals consistently. You know what it's all about. Then number 3, team with strong home or away form. I always say this here. Please don't forget. And while I continue saying, please don't be too lazy. This will be a topic for my students here on YouTube. Don't be too lazy. Leave laziness when you want to bet your money, because that money that you want to stake, if you lose it, I don't know how it will be for you. So don't be too lazy to check all around all these things that I explained to you. Understand? And don't be greedy when getting your odds. Don't be greedy. If you have like 1.75, bet it. If you have like 1.90, you are also free. If you have like 2 odds, you are free. If you have like 3 odds, you are also free. Even 3 odds, if I don't recommend you to go to 3 odds. From 2 odds down, you are free. But if you are chasing like 5 odds, 10 odds, 15 odds, that is all for you. You are risking your money. Don't come out and be crying for people to help you on sport betting, because Ojon have already explained that for you here. Very simple. Now let's continue. If a team struggles to score, don't take over 1.5. It's already explained itself. If a team consider both team or over 0.5. That simple means that if both sides like Chelsea and Arsenal, they are scoring back to back, if you consider this particular team on your ticket, over 0.5 for each team is also acceptable. That means both teams to score. Now step 3 said on topic 2. Step 3 on topic 2 said check the odd movement. Check odds movement. I always say this here, don't be lazy. This is important. Am I really shouting to my audience? Am I really shouting to you? Don't be lazy. This is important. If odd is moving up and down too much, avoid it. If you go to odds movement and find that this particular team odd is moving higher, left side and center, avoid it. Go and choose another one, please. Now he said that stable odd. When odds are stable, you can see that match will be stable, because I already told you that stable leagues, stable odd. Now stable odd means stable match. Combine it together, you can see that winning will be easy for you. Stable league, strong odd, strong match. Very important. Now let's move to step 4. Choose the right market. Here are the right markets you are going to choose. Here are the best safer odd market. Over 0.5, very important. Over 1.5 if the team are in form or in good form. Double chance, you know that. Home or away, you know that. Over 0.5, you know that. Draw no bet, you know that. Or first half no go. I explained this, especially if the goal is about 2 point something odd. Choose first half no goal. It's very safe and simple. It will help you. Then number 6 on step 3 in topic 2. Number 6 say clean sheet. That is the one I'm explaining now. The safer odd that you are going to choose. A clean sheet, no, choose it. It's very important. Means both teams will score at least one. You know what it's all about. Go and check what clean sheet helps. It really helps in sport betting. Clean sheet, no. Now you know that this market, you watching me, my viewer, my subscriber, the one who love watching my video, that shares my video, you know that all this market that I explain now is about 75%, over 0.5, over 1.5, double chance, and the draw no bet, and the clean sheet, and the first half no go, especially when the total first half is about 2 point something odd. Understand? Then you know that all these things that I explained here now is about 75%. Even if it's AI that is predicting all these things now, it will give you 75%. It's very important and easy for you. So now step 5 on topic 2. Step 5 on topic 2 say don't come too much games. Don't come too much game. You can see someone who have already come 30 particular game, 30 games in one ticket. How do you think that will be easy for you? Don't come too much. Even safer odd can lose when comping too much. Let's continue. I recommend you, whenever you want to bet, choose 1 to 3 games per ticket. Very simple and easy. How do you lose? Take small odd and bet it high. You take your money. Don't be too greedy. I'm the one telling you, Coach John. Am I shouting to you? Don't be too greedy. Now 2, mix odd from 1 to 20. Odd is very important. From 1 to 60 is very important. Any odd higher than this, if you are picking it, I don't know where you are there, unless you are a professional. You understand? I can give you the benefit of that. I can give you the bonus for that. Understand? Now, daily plan. That is number 3. Daily plan says smaller study wins, less than big win, but risky. When you win like 20 odd, 30 odd, you know that this is a risk, but you win. I said that you did not win, you win, but it's very risky. Do you want to risk your money on sport betting? That is not the reason why we are here. Very simple. Now, that is topic 4. Topic 4 now said daily low risk strategy you can use. Here is the simple formula. Pick 1 to 3 when you want to bet. Like today now, pick 1 to 3 teams. In strong team, pick 1 to 3. 1 to 3 strong team. Or leagues. Then check form, goals, motivation, and injuries and suspension, very important. Then choose safer market, only low risk. That is number 3. Choose safer market only. Choose safer market only. Don't forget that it's lower risk. It's lower risk. Then number 4 say keep total odds small. Keep total odds small is very good. Keep total odds small. Then number 5 say repeat it daily. When you are using all these things, when you are you are focusing on small markets, and all the rest of them, do it daily. I believe it will help you on your rollover. If you know what rollover is all about, if you don't know, wait to the next of our video. I will teach you what rollover is all about. Very important. Coach John have explained this here. So now, after you repeat it daily, you know that this build consistent profit. You are staking your money, you are getting what you want. Very important. Now my bonus tips is this: stop chasing high odds. Very important. Don't be greedy. I've always said, stop chasing high odds. Stop chasing high odds. Very important. Focus on stable and smart odds. Smart odds, stable odds. If you follow this low risk strategy, your winning rate will increase automatically. It will increase immediately. Automatically and immediately, both of them are the same. If you follow all these things that I said step by step, you know that your winning will be very easy, and it will find you wherever and whenever you stake your money. So thank you for watching our video. I believe you like our video. Nice. I want to see it in the comment section. You tried. I want to see it in the comment section, because this will build our channel very easy and important. So like, subscribe and share, and like. Thank you very much. I love you guys. See you in our next video.